Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Term 3rd, Unit 2, Poem Courage, written by Edgar Albert Guest. Today we are going to do the book back exercise. Fine. First one, Section A. Answer the following questions. Can courage be developed suddenly? Why? கரேஜுங்கிறது ஒரு தைரியம். அது திடீர்னு டெவலப் பண்ண முடியுமா? Why? How? No. Courage cannot be developed suddenly. Courage அப்படி இம்மீடியட்டாக பண்ண முடியாது. Because it is something deep rooted in the soul of a man. அது மனசுலேருந்து உள்ளேருந்து வரணும் அந்த தைரியம். Fine. Second one. When should we have courage? எப்போ நம்மளுக்கு அந்த தைரியம் இருக்கணும்? All those who make great efforts towards a goal should have courage. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு எய்ம், கோல், ஒரு சாதிக்கணும் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது we should have the courage, அந்த bold, அந்த தைரியம் கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கணும். Third one, give an example for dazzling light. இப்போ dazzling lightக்கு give an example. Firefly is an example for dazzling light. Dazzling அப்படியே மினுங்கிறது, ஷைனிங், கிளிட்டரிங். ஸோ ஃபயர்ஃப்ளை தெரியும் இல்லையா, ஒரு இன்செக்ட், பட் இந்த ஈவினிங் டைம்ஸ் இட் வில் ஷைன், மினி பூச்சி சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஃபைன். ஃபோர்த் ஒன், கேன் அ courageous மேன் பி டிஃபீட்டட்? வை? தைரியமான ஆட்களை டிஃபீட் பண்ண முடியுமா, தோற்கடிக்க முடியுமா? கேன் யூ டிஃபீட் தெம்? No, a courageous man cannot be defeated. Courageous man அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரமாக தோற்கடிக்க முடியாது. You cannot defeat. This is so because a brave man can never be freed of it. Okay, brave man அவங்கள கட்டி போடலாம் முடியாது. Fifth one, what is the breath of life? Breath of life na என்ன? Courage is the breath of life. Courage the breath of life. Sixth one, what are the characteristics of a courageous man? Courageous man ஓட characteristics என்ன? அதுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் வேணும்? Patience and strength are the characteristics of a courageous man. Patience-னா பொறுமை, பொறுமை மட்டும் பத்தாது, strength, அதோட தைரியமும் வேணும். Moving on to section B. Read the following lines and answer the questions. It isn't an instantaneous thing, born of despair with a sudden spring. So these are the lines, and the question is, what does it refer to? It means what? It refers to courage. Here we are talking about courage, so it means courage. B. What does born of despair mean? Born of despair means born of hopelessness. நம்பிக்கை இழந்து, நம்பிக்கை இல்லாமல் வர்றது, born of despair. Second one, it is a slow, unwavering, ingrained trait with the patience to work and the strength to wait. So these are the lines from the poem, and the question is, what is an ingrained trait? What's the meaning of ingrained trait? Courage is an ingrained trait. Courage, and தைரியம் தான் ingrained trait. B. Why does a courageous man need patience? ஸோ தைரியமான மனுஷனுக்கு பொறுமை முக்கியம், பொறுமை வேணும். Why? ஏன்? A courageous man needs patience because courage is a slow, steady and firm quality. சரி, எவ்வளோ தைரியம் வச்சுட்டோம், பொறுமை இல்லைன்னு வைங்களேன், it will end up in something wrong. ஸோ courageous manக்கு டெஃபினட்டாக patience is necessary because that is very slow and steady, but it is very firm quality. Third one, it is a part of his hours, his days and his years, back of his smiles and behind his tears. Question is, what does tears mean? Tears na enna? Tears means sorrow. Tears naka kannir. Okay, fine children. Moving on to literary appreciation. Rhyme scheme naka enna? Rhyming word, rhyming scheme எல்லாம் already you might have studied, but still. A rhyme scheme is a pattern of rhyming words at the end of each line of a poem or song. It is usually referred to by using letters to indicate which lines rhyme. Lines designed with the same sound rhyme with each other. For example, rhyme scheme, rhyming words naka and the line last word paakano. When you see the same sound paataka, that is called rhyme scheme. C part. Work in pairs and answer the following. Pick out the alliterated words. Alliterated words naka enna ஆதி எழுத்து ஓட sound repetition. For example, மெய் எழுத்தோட sound repeat ஆச்சுனாக்கா, that is called as alliteration. For example, a daring deed in a moment's flash. Daring, d. Deed, d. அப்போ the d sound repeat ஆகுது. Same manner, thing, that, th sound. No, need, அப்போ நோக்கு need, sudden, spring, can, call, call, can, come, can, come, something, soul, he, have, may, meet, serve, some, who, his, ours. அப்போ இதெல்லாமே alliterated words. Moving on to rhyming words. Pick out the rhyming words. Dash, flash, resort, sport, light, sight, defeat, meet, thing, spring, call, fall, trait, wait, years, tears, hope, rope, knot, hot, blue, do, deed, creed, man, plan, soul, goal, show, go. இப்போ இதெல்லாம் rhyming words. Third one, write the rhyme scheme of the poem. The beautiful rhyme scheme, simple da. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, A, B, B. Okay, children? Now let us listen to the poem one time. Courage isn't a brilliant dash, a daring deed in a moment's flash. It isn't an instantaneous thing, born of despair with a sudden spring. It isn't a creature for flickered hope or the final tug at a slipping rope. But it's something deep in the soul of man that is working always to serve some plan. Courage isn't the last resort in the work of life or the game of sport. It isn't a thing that a man can call at some future time when he is apt to fall. If he hasn't it now, he will have it not. When the strain is great and the pace is hot, for who would strive for a distant goal must always have courage within his soul. Courage isn't a dazzling light that flashes and passes away from sight. It's a slow, unwavering, ingrained trait with the patience to work and the strength to wait. It is part of a man when his skies are blue. It's part of him when he has work to do. The brave man never is freed of it. He has it when there is no need of it. Courage was never designed for show. It isn't a thing that can come and go. It's written in victory and defeat and every trial a man may meet. It's a part of his hours, his days and his years, back of his smiles and behind his tears. Courage is more than a daring deed. It is the breath of life and a strong man's creed. Children, now let us study the glossary part. Instantaneous, it means happening or done immediately. Flickered, it means shown unsteadily. Strive, it means make great effort. Ingrained, it means firmly established and hard to change. Now a few words about the poet. Okay. Edgar Albert Guest. Edgar Albert Guest, 1881 to 1959, was a prolific England-born American poet who was popular in the first half of 20th century and became known as the people's poet. His poems often had the inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. So I hope all of you understood. Listen to the explanation videos, guided reading and other things. Fine, children?